Have you ever found yourself typing the same instructions into Claude over and over? Maybe you always ask Claude to review code, summarize documents, explain projects, or write content using the same prompt every single time. Instead of copying and pasting those instructions, Claude has a better solution called skills. In this video, I'll explain what Claude skills are, show you the 4 ways to create or use them, build your first skill together, and finally show you what happens behind the scenes when Claude uses a skill. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start building your own Claude skills. Think of a Claude skill as a reusable set of instructions. Instead of typing the same prompt every day, you create it once, save it, and reuse it whenever you need it. Skills help Claude produce more consistent answers because it follows the same workflow every time. Instead of repeating yourself, Claude already knows how you'd like the task completed. Action 1. Browse. Browse lets you explore skills that already exist. You don't build anything. You simply select a skill that's already available and begin using it. Think of Browse as your skill library. Option 2. Create with Claude. This is probably the easiest option for beginners. Think of it as Claude's skill builder. Instead of writing everything yourself, Claude asks you a series of questions. You answer them, and Claude builds the skill for you. It's similar to a setup wizard. Option 3. Write skill instructions. If you already know exactly what you want, this option lets you build the skill yourself. You'll typically provide fill name, instructions, description. Claude simply follows the instructions you've written. Option 4. Upload skill. Upload is used when someone has already created a skill. Instead of building one from scratch, you simply import it into Claude. Let's build our first skill. Now let's build a simple skill. We'll create one called Project Inspector. Its purpose is to inspect a software project and always perform the same 3 steps. First, list the important files. Explain what was examined. Third, recommend the next step. That's it. Simple skills are often the most useful. Imagine creating a skill for documentation, another for code reviews, another for debugging, another for writing articles. Instead of writing long prompts every day, you simply choose the skill. Your workflows become faster, more organized, and much more consistent. So what actually happens when you use a skill? Here's the simple version. You ask Claude a question. Claude checks whether one of your skills matches your request. If it finds one, it reads the skill's instructions. Those instructions guide how Claude responds. For advanced users, those instructions are stored in a file named skill.md. This file contains the skill's purpose, instructions, and behavior. But don't worry about writing one manually when you're just getting started. The important thing is understanding how the workflow works. Today you learned what Claude skills are, the difference between browse, create with Claude, write skill instructions, and upload skill, how to build a simple beginner skill, and even what happens behind the scenes when Claude uses one. Once you start building skills, you'll spend less time rewriting prompts and more time getting consistent, high-quality results. In the next video, we'll build a more advanced Claude skill from start to finish and explore additional ways to customize it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Claude AI lesson.